Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10s and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. So let's scroll down here, let's tap on it and tap view all 49 apps, of course 49 in my case. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for. After tapping on it, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.